Okay, so it's time to pluck some amla. So we have an amla plant tree. Oh, we are going to the amla tree. Actually, this is just beside the house, across the pond. The pond here is dried up. No water. This is what happens usually during winter because there is no rain. So we catch all the fish by winter, and yeah, finally this is the amla tree, and that's our house there. I don't think it's visible anyway, so let me try and capture some amla fruit. Let me zoom. Yeah, so we have some amla fruit here. Nice. And that is Tonmoy, who is going to help me. I need to cut some bamboo.
Hả? Cậu trùng buồn. Bữa bà là nó. Bữa bà là nó. Gonda bukuk senam na deh.
Finally, we have bamboo. Oh no. Short. Let me try from here. Or I can load it. Hey, that. Okay, so this is ready.
Pass ke sabun tu kah?
Okay, now I need to put some net here because the amla will fall and we won't be able to pick it up. So we need we'll put some mosquito net. So by the way, this mosquito net is from my childhood when I was in the hostel. I think in class 7 probably. I was in a hostel and this was the mosquito net I used to use. Now it's quite old, so I'll be using this here. Lots of memories. Okay. Si konon lemba.
Hanyawan.
Heda? Mas sisi gana. Sisi kita sedang no.
Sisi kia
Omo aing cái gì cái này nha.
hai cái này ít quá tụi mà ra cái này nha cha
Có đó cái này lên.
nó clean ủa ra ở cái này nó ở ra cái đặc cái phải nhá
Cái này à.
ở ra cái này là thì cha
Cái này kia bắt rồi xin cho hay đâu hay đã. Nghe là.
ngu ngu quá tụi mà ra cái đặc cái nhá hoàn khác
Ui, sao mấy đâu có tạc lắm. Nghe nè. Let's try. I hope it falls there. We just one little bit. We don't need too many. Bunda, kelai jeda, kelai amna t-shirt do. Okay. Oh no, it's too sunny. Okay. Yeah, it's falling. It's falling on the net. Good. Neng tol hay sih?
Nako.
Tol sampai. Ada net t-shirt. Kalau ima rok t-shirt ika. An t-shirt nang lihat do. Oh, Prinas t-shirt.
Ya. 15 oh sampai terus tu.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
Ah.
Hey.
Oh no.
After chị có nó mọ ơi y
Hi, it's okay. We can pick it up.
ôi cái này là sao bunda
It's not falling on the net. It's okay. We can pick it up. Only one or two is falling on the net. No issues.
Ducan nó là do ducan có sọc
Plant chopot. Okay, let me try again. I have one more idea. Dale ta.
cái tan nó này
Over there. Or khúc mas nam này.
Sam đi
Khép nó vào đi. Thế đã.
ơi
I need another one. Barak.
tất cả xem ăn này cái hàng sạc nó mua tông ấy mà sạc này không biết cha
Nãy hoàn toàn cái gì?
Em và sạc nó phá trả làm năng siêu
कौन सा वाला लेंगे बोलो có lúc nào ơi chạy ra cái bút này à hay đấy
có lúc toàn mua cái tổng khơ tôi vẫn chỉ còn tam thôi
ये वाला चलेगा
hả không mua
ये चलेगा ना ये तो कुछ ज्यादा ही लंबा है
ông khi nào có tam sẽ không mua ông khi nào ra bay hai cái khang ông ra bay giang này na puru hai cái khang cái hili cái ulta phi thế này
उल्टा आंसर रख लेने
anh nhung anh này
ट्राई ठीक है ना और टान केंगे ना
chiru nó chiru enggak nak
left hand से टान होय I'll cut here right
cut
yes wow
món
now
kia
it's perfect
tao khăn lô khát tơ
anh thấy gì perfect lại
anh nè
kamu tuh nggak somjina ya kakak bang itu kan kayak mana
hắn ai da khăn khăn bạc hết bạc thế này
bu phẳng kakak ready
ठीक
सिर्फ पट्टे गिर रहा है let's see
Yay!
Yay! Yay!
Ayo!
Thầy sao có cái gì tao được tao lắm cái gì ta
Ở bộ không nặng cái gì
Quay
tốt.
tôi thấy nhìn nó nặng nó kiểu kia
Giờ không ăn.
Yes. Yes.
Hả?
Lên.
Đấy là kỳ sát cái khu. Tao có học băng sao sức.
Đó, bố phẳng cái gì cái cả mình sao mà đi
Câu anh Tùng à mà là bút hết mi cầu con ta ai à
con này nhà bút hết mi cầu anh khẩn á ta với đâu đang khá mà không xin ai trả vô
칼만 진짜 썰어 봐. 또 그 엄마서. 아야. 아야.
हो गया और डाल दो चलो let's collect the idea to collect on a net did not work clearly but so I'll have to look search it from the bushes quite nice okay later I can separate the good ones from bad ones but first Let me just collect. Okay. I have some here. Yeah, one is here. Oh. Malia, good. Okay, we got some from the net also. Good, at least some from the net. Here. All right, lots of. Nice. Twin. Tonmoy found a twin fruit. Hey. Twin. Okay. Whew. Lots of hard work. Nice. Whew. Many more fell down under that bamboo, but it's difficult to collect from there. Dale da. This is the typical dao we use to cut small things. Hey, there's a bamboo shoot here, small bamboo shoot, but I don't need to take this in. If it was in Hyderabad, I would have been crazy about this, but in Tripura I have lots, so I don't need. Let it grow into a big bamboo. This is the bamboo which my father planted a long time ago before he passed away, so we still keep it like a memory. Catch. Tao đi, qua tao là nè cái nào. Cô lá. Oh, are you tired, Tanmay? Lilenka, are you tired? Oh no. Careful. Let me see. Are there any more here? Yes, there is. It's like looking for some precious jewel. Oh boy. Okay. Iko. Nano ka nang ora? Yes, lots of it here. Just, oh. Okay, good. Trong the last over này cái này. Gunda. Some fell on the water. I can wash it, no problem. So I'll still take it. Hey, some more are there in the net. Yeah. Hey, tolak kahmata khosemi eta. Phala. Moram gade. Let me just see. I will try. No, it's difficult. Wait.
Ma.
Yes, I can get some. Bucket. Okay, put it in the bucket. Bring the bucket here. Okay, I think that's it. Enough. Gunda na shiri. Gunda bucket. Hey, wait. See? Such a nice one you missed. Put this. There's some more here. Ur ko bang ma? Gunda ti sagari. Lo ko bulja ko ni siaro. Okay, let's go. It's more than enough. There is. The more I'm ready to stop searching, the more I can find. Okay, I need. All right. I tell Mara Gunda Buljak Sabo. Okay. Careful. Ý có tay cày trong hoàng không? Ý có. All right, let's go back. So this is a jamun tree I planted few years, I think 1 year ago during COVID. This is a Alfonso mango plant. There is one there. I planted lots of trees here. This is a teakwood, very good furniture. For furniture, it's a strong wood. All right, and then I think this is in Indian orange. So betel nuts, lots of betel nuts. This is again another jamun. So this is a very good quality jamun tree. I hope that it will bring forth good fruit days to come. So here, this is a big jamun tree here. Right now there is no fruit. It's a big jamun tree. All right. This is pineapple. When the season is on, we'll see lots of fruits here. All right. So finally it's washed. ready to eat.